First, pour hot water right above the red beans. We can either boil the red beans for 1 hour or soak them for 4 hours. Second, boil the brown sugar bar with 250 ml of water. Boil until they dissolve. Put tapioca starch, wheat flour, and rice flour together. Then mix them. Pour 125 ml of water and mix them together. If the mixture is too thick, add 75 ml of water, little by little. Afterwards, add the sugar solution into the mixture and mix them thoroughly. Tip some oil on a kitchen towel. Wipe the oil on the container. Pour the mixture into the container evenly. Add some red beans into the mixture. Steam them for 25 minutes over high heat. After 25 minutes, check the red bean pudding with a toothpick. If it is ready, dip it up with long bamboo sticks. Serve it and enjoy the red bean pudding.